Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preventing further data loss. Stop adding new numbers and enable airplane mode to avoid syncs. Once done, locate the latest backup, iCloud, Google Drive, or a local computer backup, because recovery uses those snapshots. Make sure you have account credentials and enough battery. Plug in the device. If no backup shows deleted numbers, note the date range you need and prepare a recovery tool or app that matches your platform. This will guide the deeper scan and extraction steps. Next, run a recovery app or desktop software and choose a read-only scan to avoid damaging data. You want to scan both local storage and any synced folders. This uncovers deleted contact records or number-only entries. Once found, filter by timestamps or number prefixes to isolate relevant results. Export the recovered items as VCF or CSV so you can inspect them safely. Make sure to preview entries before restoring so you avoid duplicates or corrupt records. Finally, import the cleaned VCF or CSV back into your Contacts app and resolve duplicates during the import process. This ensures seamless syncing across devices. Once restored, verify a sample of numbers by calling or sending a text to confirm integrity. If some entries are still missing, repeat scans, check older backups, or request provider logs for possible carrier-stored contacts. If things go wrong, rely on the forensic export log from your recovery tool to trace what was found and why certain items failed to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.